The end point of designing and collecting inventory data and preparing the supporting analysis sets is to analyse that data. From the menu options, select Analysis and Analyses. Click the Add button. Show Archived is a convenient way to show and hide various analyses if the list becomes too long. There's control with this box here. Enter a name and description. Identify the data source, which in most cases will be measurement. This means a single designed inventory. With the appropriate source selected, choose the inventory name. By default, the summary growth method is grow then average, meaning that each plot will be grown and averaged at the stratum level for stratum reporting. The alternative is to use average then grow, which summarises the plots into measured stratum values and only grows those averages. It is quicker but less responsive to growth factors. You may also control whether backwards growth is allowed. Biometric functions themselves may or may not work for backwards growth, but this setting is in addition to that functionality. It excludes the possibility of backwards growth if not relevant, i.e. the stand may have already been thinned and it is illogical. However, I want to see yield tables, so I'm going to allow it. Identify which projection method to apply, which may be at measurement, i.e. no growth, at a single age in the future, or at multiple ages in the future. If you wish to include a thinning regime, multiple ages must be selected. I want to see a multiple ages outcome. The age trigger dictates whether to use age or date to determine the projection dates. Dates might be required for valuation purposes perhaps, but I want to see exact age yield table outcomes. I want to start at 10 and end at 20. If required, I may also ignore various ages within that range, but I don't want to do that. I could also apply thinning. I also don't want to do that. I do wish to apply the log bucking method of grading, and I've got a segregation set that I prepared earlier. The process method relates to saving each level of results either permanently or on the fly when clicking each of the outcome tabs. I don't have much data, so I'm just going to use the live on the fly option. Conversion sets are volume conversions applied to trees to see alternative unit outcomes such as weight. I don't have any of those. At this stage, I may also identify whether I want standard reports available for Excel or CSV export after the analysis is run. I'm going to select a couple. I may also select any customised output sets I may have created, but I haven't created any of those. I'm now ready to save the analysis. If the process method is live, clicking the process button will run any pre-analysis checks and ensure consistency, but it's not until you actually click on the results tabs up the top that the full analysis is run. If, however, you selected Save as your process method, it will both perform the pre-analysis checks and run the full analysis, saving each level of result. I'm going to click the process button, and now I'm going to run the analysis for this results tab. There are several different report results tabs you can have a look at. I'm going to have a look at the chart. If you return to the Details tab, at this stage you can either download a PDF report or download any of the Excel or CSV reports you may have selected earlier. That's all I need to do for now. I've just run and viewed some of the reports available during the analysis process.